super excited to announce the launch of my online video instruction course on drawing. It's called the LZM Drawing Method. I'm really excited, and I'm going to give you all a membership, one every month for the next 12 months. So what you're going to get if you win the membership, and you can follow along to the end of the video to find out how to enter to win, you will get 6 months access to my online video courses, which include over 25 hours of content, over 100 different videos, almost 200 photos that include both references that you can draw and also examples of successful and unsuccessful drawings. And then you're going to get handouts for each one of the videos. So 6 whole months of access to that. And don't you worry, I'm going to give one away now and then one away for the next 12 months. So you'll have 12 chances to win that membership. I'm really excited to continue working with you all on a deeper level, where you're going to get more tips, tricks, and finished drawings working together with me.